Hello good people, Skyc here again. We are now again doing a continuation of Malimali business. We had done a video earlier. Now this one is just a continuation, trying to put all the details together. So now we want to talk about supplies and stocking up of a Malimali business. So like I told you earlier, your Malimali store is all about your stock and what you have for your customers. They need to find what they are looking for if you want to sell and make good profits. In the beginning, you might not have so much stock, but as time goes by, your work towards increasing the quantity and variety of items now goes on. For household items, Malimali store think of all that people use and need in their houses. From kitchenware to cleaning items, there is a vast variety of what you could stock in your store. You also need to be aware of the different places you could connect with the right suppliers and get quality items. You don't have to stock everything while starting. Stock items that will obviously sell. Items like buckets, basins. Whether you are spending 7,000 or 10,000, stock up the necessities first. Learn to listen to your customers, and with the time you will add your stock little and bring what your customers actually need. You will know what sells and what doesn't sell. I get like for what Gadoni told me. Gadoni gets her items from Kamkunji market. From her experience, Kamkunji is the best place to get your items at wholesale and at an affordable price while restocking. She says she spends around 20,000 or more, even more depending on the timing to do restocking. So what do you need to sell in your Malimali shop? Begin with shoes. All type of plastic shoes, example open shoes, slippers, rubber shoes, and all of that. For official and pseudo boots, you can also source them in Capital House, first floor, room 5. I believe most people who know the place, they can access it. You can also sell utensils, all kitchen utensils that we use at home, the thermos, plates, glass, sufuria, jug, spoon, kettle, etc. You can also sell clothes, panties, socks, bra, vest, hats, belt, handkerchief, all those things. You can sell electronics, earphones, lamp holders, type of bulbs, wiring, cables, radio cables, jack pins, USB cable, memory cards, all these things, flash disk, torch, chargeable lamps, pocket radios. You can also sell beauty products. That's earrings, necklaces, cutex, lipstick, rings, ponds, perfume, pods, creams. There's a lot, lip balm, glycerin, eye pencils, type of hair dyes. There are so many things you can sell. Stationaries, that's a crayon, like the crayons, books, manila papers, pencil, printing papers, graph books, so many, plain books, notebooks. A Malimali shop thrives under less competition, since it's not possible to satisfy a larger number of customers. You can also diversify and sell things like handbags, diapers, tissue, shower cap, stocking, woolen threads, those sanitary pads, shoe creams, braids, mitungi. There are so many things you can sell. You can just walk around and see. What are the challenges you expect? Starting and running a Malimali store has its own challenges, just like any other business. While starting, the main challenge is how customers don't trust your business and yet still prefer where they are familiar with. A customer will pass by your shop and come back carrying an item you sell in your shop and don't buy from you even if you are the nearest to them. You start wondering whether the customers are still not noticing you or what. But once you start getting used to that is it. Then also some customers are really difficult and you have to keep your cool. Even then they are getting to your last nerves. Just keep your cool. So that is all I believe you need to know about Malimali business. It's not a very expensive venture. You just begin with small. When your customers get what they need and what they're asking for, you could make a very, very good money from it as you grow and grow and grow. Thank you very much. This is Skyc. Keep being part of us. We'll keep giving you tips, all that you need, various business ideas that you can run. It's up to you. Thank you.